Wait, did you just put a watermelon in the cart without checking the price tag?
Oh no, I always do that. I pick things that look good first, then I look at the price later.
That's the classic move. Hey, this is our real grocery run. Right now. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah, let's go.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I am Zac.
Hello, Zac. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about grocery shopping, episode 47 today.
Nods. Today, we're at the grocery store. We are going to talk like real people. Slow and simple.
Yeah. We'll talk about buying food, asking questions, and a small problem that happens in stores. Also some short stories. Real life, real words.
Okay, let's start.
So, Zac, what do you usually buy first when you come to a grocery?
I look for fruits. I like apples and bananas. They're easy. You can eat them quick. What about you?
I always go to the bakery section first. Bread smells so good. I love warm bread.
Oh yeah, the smell is the best.
Yeah. Oh, look, they have a big sale on milk today. Nice.
Good. I need milk.
Hey, Zac, do you see this label? It says organic and local, but the price is higher. I'm not sure which one to pick. The non-organic is cheap.
That happens a lot. It's hard to choose. Organic costs more, but maybe it lasts longer? Or tastes different?
I don't know. I want to save money, but I also want healthy food.
Same. I get stuck. Also, sometimes the labels are small. I don't understand what some words mean.
I know. And the bagger asked me a question once, and I didn't understand. I felt nervous.
That's okay. Lots of people feel that. Let's try some useful phrases we can use in this place.
So if you don't hear something, you can say, "Sorry, could you say that again?"
Or, what do you mean by local?
And, "Sorry, I didn't catch that."
Also, is this on sale? Or is it cheaper in the store brand?
Practical. Like if a worker says, "This is from a local farm," you can say, "Oh, that sounds nice. Where is the farm?" Simple. People usually explain.
If you want to check the price on the shelf, you can ask, "Could I see the price per pound?" Or, "How much is it per kilo?"
And if you want help, say, "Could you help me find the pasta?" That's all.
Nice. Keep it short, keep it friendly.
I remember one time, this was months ago, I was at the store and a worker offered me a sample of cheese.
Ooh, cheese sample.
Yeah, I was shy. My English felt small. The worker said something I didn't understand. I smiled and said, "Sorry, could you say that again?" He repeated slowly. I tried the cheese. It was delicious. I felt happy. Small moments like that make you brave.
I love that. I had a time like that too. I once asked where the bathroom was. The worker pointed and used a word I didn't understand. I said, "What do you mean?" He smiled and pointed more. We both laughed. I felt okay after. It's human.
Yes, we make mistakes. People help. It feels good.
Okay, back to our mini problem. Organic or non-organic? What should we do?
Let's ask a staff member. Walks to shelf. "Excuse me, could you tell us the difference between these two?"
Store worker, off-screen, helpful tone.
Sure. The organic was grown without synthetic pesticides. The other is regular, but both meet safety rules.
Thank you. That was simple. Now we know.
I will buy the regular one this time. It's cheaper. I can save money this week. Maybe next week I will try organic.
Good plan. Try small steps.
Yeah. Also check the dates on packages. Some food has a best by or use by date. If it's close, maybe it's cheaper.
And look for store brands. They are often cheaper, but good quality.
And don't forget to check your list.
Oh yeah, your famous list. Where is it?
Right here. I write one every time. It helps me not buy too much bread or too many snacks.
Snacks are the dangerous ones.
I know.
So we solved the problem. We talked to the staff. We used simple phrases. We picked items. It was a good run.
Next time, we can practice asking about discounts and how to use coupons. That will save more money.
Yeah. We can also do a short episode on how to read labels, calories, ingredients, and so on. Many people ask about that.
That would help. I want to feel confident in the store.
Me too. We'll do it soon.
Before we go, if you like this episode, please subscribe to English Podcast Channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English, and share this episode with your friends.
And hit the bell so you don't miss episode 48. It will be short and useful.
Tell us in the comments, what food makes you nervous to buy? Fruits? Meat? Spices? Write one word.
Grocery shopping is a simple thing, but when you speak another language, it can feel big. That's okay. Take small steps. Ask simple questions. People are kind.
Yes, we make mistakes. People help. It feels good.
Thanks for shopping with us today. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Take care. Waves.